Hello, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'll be explaining to you how you can actually trade the markets easily without losing a trade. Yes, now I'm going to be showing you a strategy that guarantees you nothing less than 95% profitability. Yes, the truth is it sounds impossible, but it's the real deal. And it's a strategy that I developed myself and I'm using till today to be profitable. So quickly, if you're new to this channel, I'd like to subscribe to this channel and also click the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we upload awesome videos like this. And also, if you want to be part of the free signal telegram channel, please do so, because we talk about so many things in the telegram channel and we also give signals. All right, so and I usually send chat patterns um to the telegram channel also. And the free trading course is also below. You can see the link also if you want a free trading course and something to get started with, and the free indicator download. All is in the description below, but you could also make use of this link right here. All right, now if you want to also chat to me on WhatsApp, you want to ask you have one or two questions, you can reach me on this link on WhatsApp. You could just put in this number and chat me up on WhatsApp. So with that being said, um we'll go straight to our reason for this video today. Our reason for the video today is very simple. We want to talk on how you can get trades that are sniper entries and trades that make you profitable like never before. Now quickly, you realize that most times a lot of persons get into a trade and they get stuck, or you see the market reversing at that exact point. For instance, let's assume that you entered at this particular point, you entered a buy at this point. Maybe you thought it was going to buy, you come in at this point, and not knowing that this was there was a resistance, and right immediately you entered, you saw the market started dropping downwards. So today I'm going to show you a strategy that I use for my trade all the time. I use it all the time, and I get profits. It makes me profitable. Now, first of all, the first thing you need to understand is the norm is whenever you make use of the 200 EMA, that in my previous videos I've explained to you, isn't the 200 exponential moving average. This is the settings. You'll be able to spot. Sorry, let me go to the 1 hour chart. You'll be able to spot when the market is buying or selling. If it's above the 200, it's buying. If it's below the 200, it is selling. You understand? So, but in this particular scenario, you realize that when the market goes upwards, it tends to pull back as if it's done with the uptrend. Then all of a sudden it pushes back upwards. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm able to spot all this, when the pullback ends and when it's about to continue in my direction. Don't forget that trading with the trend is what matters the most. Trading with the trend is what matters the most. Now today I'm going to be introducing you to my indicator that I use, which is the which is the this is the trend this is the trend trailer indicator. The trend trailer indicator. Sorry, this is a trend trailer indicator. Now, this indicator is a very simple indicator. How does it work? Very simple. Now, the first thing I like to do is whenever whenever the market is trending down, I look for only down signals. When the market is trending upwards, I look for up signals. Now, how do I use the trend trailer indicator? Very simple. Now, the trend trailer indicator is an indicator that, number one, helps you to filter out when the market is ranging and when the market is trending. Now, a lot of you have problems with discovering that. Sometimes you might think the market is down. That means the market is still going down, isn't it? It's below 200 EMA, so that means market is still in the downtrend. Not knowing that the trend has actually changed. So this indicator, this software helps you to be able to spot that out. It helps you to be able to spot that out. So how does this work? Now, using a stochastic of 933, you can see this is stochastic setting 9k period D3 and slowing 3. All right, so I'll be able to filter out bad trades and good trades. All right, let's just start from this point right here. Now you can see the market has pushed to the upside. All right, so once the market has pushed to the upside, I'll be looking for only buy signals, and you can see whenever you can see this Bollinger Bands right here. You can see these Bollinger Bands right here, which are the dark green, and you can see the light green. Now, whenever this light green line crosses above the Bollinger Bands, I'm looking to buy, which means the trend is, that means the momentum of the trend is very, very bullish. That is very, very strong to the upside. So now the next thing I want to look for is I want to look for when the light green line crosses above the Bollinger Band and my stochastic crosses to the lower side, that is crosses to the oversold region, like here you can see, like this place, just right here. That's it. So right there, so right here is where I place my entry. You place your buy signal here, just right here, and you exit just when, sorry, excuse me, you exit just when your stochastic goes up. All right, so let's look at other possible scenarios. Okay, so where did our stochastic touch? Here you can see the stochastic touched here. All right, you can see the stochastic touched here, just right here, 0. Now you notice that the stochastic, you can see that this light green line came into the Bollinger Band, but you realize that it didn't, it, at this point you can see that it was almost crossing, it touched the lower Bollinger Band. You can see this lower Bollinger Band, you can see it touched it and dropped to the lower side. So in this kind of scenario, you ignore the trade. Then you wait for the next possible scenario. You can see here, you can see that this Bollinger Band, you can see that the light green line crosses above the Bollinger Band again, and my stochastic came to 0 here, and you can see I had my push to the upside. So you can see the same thing here. You can see it went up. You can see the same thing right here, it went up. So that is how you make profit consistently. Trust me, the profit is consistent, like unavoidable. You can't miss it. Now let's look at a sell scenario. You can see that the light green line here has crossed below the Bollinger Band. Yes, and you can see that our stochastic has come to this 80 region, or the overbought region. So this is where you will place our entry. You can see and you take your profits right here. Understood? Now look at another possible scenario right here. You can see just right here, this is another good entry. You can see that. Now this, let's see another good entry. Let's see another good entry. This is another good entry. This is another good entry. You can see it must always drop. It must always drop. You can see you enter here, the market came and was coming up, but it still never touched your entry, then dropped and came back to this oversold level here, which is your TP, your take profit. So that's how to actually trade this indicator, the trend trailer indicator. Yeah, so and another thing you need to know is this trend trailer indicator works on any time frame. It works on any time frame. So irrespective of the time frame you want to work with, be it 15 minutes, you can see on the 15 minutes you will still see signals. Let's just let me just look for, you can see if you just don't even need to stress yourself. The moment you see the light green line coming into the green side, you just forget about trading until the green crosses above or below. That's it. Then you now start waiting for your pullback. For instance, you can see this particular point right here. You can see this particular point right here also. You can see, yeah, at this point you enter, you take your profit, you enter here again, you take your profit. So it's as simple as ABC. Straightforward. It's very, very straightforward. Okay, look at this scenario also. You can see this. You can see this is a sell trade. You enter just right here. So that is how you can actually make use of the trend trailer indicator. So I'm making this trend trailer indicator available to everyone. So if you need this indicator, you could actually chat me up on WhatsApp. um just talk to me on WhatsApp, and I will definitely reach out. I'll definitely respond to you. All right, so just copy out my just you can just copy out this link. You can just copy out this link to your browser and just click it. It will just take you straight to WhatsApp. Or you can actually just go to WhatsApp and just put in this my number and chat me up. Either ways, I'll respond to you as soon as I get your message. And this 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 link can also be seen in the description below. It can be seen in the description below. It can be seen in the description. So all you can just do is just click on the description, and you get this particular link, and just click it to chat me up. So another thing I need to tell you is the indicator is actually for a particular fee. So if you're chatting me up, you need to understand that it's not free. It's for a fee. It's at it's for a fee, but trust me, it's very affordable. Very, very affordable. I made it to be very, very affordable, very, very cheap, so you could actually get it as soon as possible. um I'll stop giving out this indicator because I actually don't want it to saturate the market. So the moment I give it out to about 10 persons, I will stop giving it out. That is a promise. I will stop giving it out, and I'm going to be updating as many persons that I've given it out on this platform. I'll be updating it on this platform. So the moment I hit 10 people, I will stop giving it out. So if you really need this indicator, like I said, it helps me to trade and be profitable. I use it in all my trades. So you've asked for it, and I've given it to you. So help yourself to do the needful. So all right, that's that on the trend trailer indicator. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and do not forget to join our Telegram channel for signals, and also if you need the course, the free course and indicators, you can actually use this link below. So I remain your boy Leke KOSB Finance, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.